Welcome to Build My Mini. I am Eve, the Build My Mini designer. I love to create papercraft design because they are not just folding a paper. It's a gift you build while thinking of someone special. When you are putting the scene together, you are thinking of them. You are picking out the little objects that tell their story. Look at this cozy corner bookshop. I added warm autumn leaves and tiny books because it reminds me of a friend who loves a quiet afternoon. I also created happy birthday cake shop, full of sunflowers and lavender, to send some sunshine to someone you love. The real magic is that while your hands are busy, your heart is full of happy thoughts about that person. I made these with a simple one-way folding trick. You don't even need a tutorial, you just need to follow the lines. It is a beautiful way to find peace and let your stress go. By the time you finish, you have a tiny world full of love to give away. I hope you enjoy making these special gifts as much as I do. I hope you like our Build My Mini papercraft projects. We update every week with new scenes for you to pick. Don't leave. The video is still continuing.